So you're thinking about filing a Chapter 13, but you want to know what your plan payments are. There's a couple of factors that determine what your plan payments are going to be. The major one is what your debts are. So those are things that are required to pay off. In a Chapter 13, you're required to pay off your secured debts. Those are things like house arrears, your car payments, things like that. There's also a level of debts that must be paid off according to bankruptcy rules. The biggest ones are tax debts and child support arrearage, things like that. And then depending on your income and a lot of other factors, you also have to pay a portion or none of your unsecured debt. That's basically everything else. In the Chapter 13 plan payments, the way you go about it, you do what's called the means test, which determines how much unsecured you do. You also have to take into account liquidation. In a Chapter 13, you have to pay back your creditors the same amount that they would get in a Chapter 7. So that's also something you have to factor in. But basically, the easiest way to get a Chapter 13 plan payment is actually coming in and talk to your attorney. Because of all these factors that I listed, it's just barely breaking the surface of what a plan payment's going to be. So that's always the best thing to do. Just come on down and meet us.